So let's take the next chapter, that is with respect to geomorphic processes. The meaning of geomorphic is what are the different structures that are actually present on the Earth's surface. How do you get mountains? How do you get valleys? How do you get lakes? Why does landslides occur at a particular place? How does wind action takes place? How do you expect the soil to move from the mountain top to the bottom? All this has to be covered with the help of geomorphic processes. So we try to say that there are something called as forces which are acting outside the Earth's surface. The meaning of this is, from now on, whenever I say outside or exogenic, rivers, winds, waves, right? And also you can talk about glaciers, underground water. All these are exogenic processes. And within the Earth's surface, if something is taking place, we call it endogenic forces. What is the meaning of endogenic forces? Magma movement, plate tectonics is called as endogenic movements. Fine. Whenever rivers, they are actually flowing. What do the rivers do? If you have a mountain, the rivers erode these mountains, correct? And they bring lot of particles along with them. And these particles will be actually deposited. First it will be eroded and then it will be deposited somewhere in the lake or so, correct? So I am saying you, river will first erode the mountain and it will actually deposit somewhere. So if you can actually observe, we call erosion as degradation. What is the meaning of this? So mountain, if it is broken into smaller particles, we call it degradation of relief, elevations, and filling up, aggradation of basins, depressions. What is the meaning of this? In lake, whatever is falling is called as aggradation. See guys, if you have a mountain and if it is reduced in size, we call it degradation. If we have a basin where it can be stored is called as aggradation. And the phenomena of wearing down of relief variations of the surface of the earth through erosion is called as gradation. Whether you are accumulating or you are reducing the size, we call it gradational forces, right? All exogenic forces are called as gradational forces, or what we usually get is gradation. And whenever we talk about endogenic, they continuously elevate or build parts of the Earth's surface, and hence exogenic processes fail to even out the relief variations of the surface of the Earth. The meaning of this is, they are trying to say that endogenic keeps on building, exogenic tries to reduce it to normal, but endogenic forces, as they build more, exogenic forces cannot level it out throughout the world. So it takes generations for exogenic forces to take place, but endogenic also meanwhile it would have built a new structure.